morning, guys. So I'm here. Just got up not too long ago. Marlon just left about 25 minutes ago. So I was up making breakfast for us. I got some pancakes with some strawberries and bananas and some bacon and some hash browns. And yeah, so I'm gonna eat this. I'm currently watching this week's episode of Married at First Sight. If y'all ain't never watched that show, y'all need to go watch the show because we're into the third season now. And yeah, it's such a good show. If you watch Married at First Sight, like this video, leave a comment below, let me know. I also like Arranged. And now there's Cocktails with Chloe on FYI, even though this is on A&E now. Married at First Sight, it's on A&E, but I don't know, it started off on FYI channel, which I don't have. I have an Android box. So no matter what channel it's on, I get to watch it. So I'm gonna eat my breakfast and I'll check in with you guys later, okay? If you guys already haven't, check out... Wait, I don't know when this is going up though. This could either be next week Tuesday's vlog or next week Thursday's vlog, but whatever day it is, there's a vlog previously. Go check it out if you haven't already checked it out. Okay, yeah, bye. Guys, wait. Whoa, wait. What music up? Okay, 1 second. Go, my music stopped, so I'm on my way picking up the kids. I'm walking to the bus stop. That's Marlon's uncle, Uncle Owen. Yeah, that's Uncle Owen. When I go inside, he's gonna be like, oh, who are you talking to on your phone? Because he always catches me when I'm outside. Anytime I go anywhere and I come to pick up the kids in the evening, he's always like, what were you doing at such and such place at this and time and whatever. He's like, didn't you think I didn't see you with whatever in your hand? And I'm just like, this man is so stalkerish. Like, how does he see me everywhere I go? But anyways, I'm just waiting for the school bus right now. Yeah. Just waiting for the bus. So, see, catch you guys a little later. Okay. Y'all, so okay, don't mind this brown thing that's there because yeah. But anyways, I'm gonna color because I ain't got nothing better to do. And yeah, so we're coloring. I'm sorry. Why are you shy? Say hi. Hi. Say hi, subscribers.
And then this is, I guess,
say hi, subscribers.
Hi, subscribers.
For those of you that don't know, that is Marlon's little cousin, Zari. She is who I babysit. Okay. Yeah, she's who I babysit. She's the twins' aunt and Kim's sister. Right? So, yeah. You can't have one. You're sick.
Why do you have a band-aid?
Because I cut myself today. Y'all, I cut myself today. I'm going to insert the Snapchat of how, like, I lost so much blood. Like, my head is hurting me right now. And I swear it's because of it. Either that or just the amount of blood that I seen that I lost. But it was ridiculous. Yo, the amount of blood that I am losing right now, bro, like, oh my god. Ridiculous. Yeah, I know, it's winter time and I'm eating a popsicle. So what? Who made those rules?
How that works out. Okay, so I added some ice to my cold water and we're going to see if this works.
So anyways, that's what we're currently doing right now. Okay. Yeah. It's dinner time. Popeyes today. My finger's broken, as you guys know. I was not putting my hand in no food. Nobody wants my blood. Nobody wants blood in their food, so no, I'm not doing that. So this guy This new guy that I'm seeing bought me food today. And yeah, we're not gonna tell Marlon about him. You know how that goes. You know, you just slide on in the DMs and stuff like that. You know, he doesn't even know what DMs are because he doesn't have Instagram. So, you know them way there? Yeah. Let me introduce you guys to him, okay?
Yo, take that from me. Hear that? Yo, take that from me.
I can't cheat on Marlon, you guys. Marlon? How could I cheat on him when he's the one doing all the cheating? How could I cheat on him? What type of girlfriend would I be to cheat on my man?
Yo, take that off from me, man. Too much fucking social media, and it's a gully bop and chin now.
That's gully bop and chin problem. If you have something for I, then it will mash you up. If you not have nothing for I, then not gonna mash you up. What are you hiding? Silence, 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 silence. Nah, but that's what's up for now, though, still.
Enough time for your fuck, man.
Just, eating some Popeyes again, like I said. Just got in. Picked me up today. He's so nice today for some reason.
Yo, pray for me, I don't eat before you, my chicken. Ask me something. Me have to fight if me not eat at least 2 years. Take it and then go and eat.
So why didn't you buy your own? Why didn't you buy more chicken? Why do you have to touch mine? You got the same amount. Leave me alone.
Yo, give me change and go buy more.
Anyways.
Give me change and go buy more?
Yeah.
No.
I came up to $18.93. What change do you want to buy more?
Only $8.93. 2.6 how much? 12. What's here?
It was $6.99. Plus tax. Idiots. Tell us to them boy your friend, you don't know nothing. They don't have no sense. If you guys are approached by Jamaican men, say no. Run. Don't even breathe. Just turn your head, look in the other direction, and run as fast as you see in both. If you can run faster, run faster. Don't talk to them. You understand? They don't bring nothing but trouble. Nothing but trouble, headache, heartache, backache, bellyache, all these type of things. You understand? Yeah, so may I save all those aches. Just turn your head and say no but. Morning, guys. Another morning with Zoisha. Currently in the kitchen, about to whip up some breakfast. You know what I'm saying? So today on the menu, we are having French toast, okay? Now, I might not have enough space to record all of this, but you'll get the gist of it. You know what I'm saying? So, just making some French toast and just, like, you know, scrambling up the eggs. I realized I don't have no milk, so I can't put no milk, but it was already too far along for me to take for me to not make this. So, you know, so I'm getting my bread, and the bread that Does anybody else always lose these things right after taking them off? How annoying, like... Anyways, the bread that I'm using today is the Italiano. I love this freaking bread. We're using it in 100% whole wheat thick slice, okay? I'm gonna make about 2 or 3 French toast. So what you do, if y'all don't know how to do it, you take your egg, you mix in your cinnamon. I put in some brown sugar as well. And you would normally add in some milk. I don't know, maybe you could add in cream. I don't know. I don't mess with cream too much. Excuse me. So you're going to take your bread. You're going to dip it in to your egg on both sides. Yum, yum, yum. You could probably use some tongs for this or a fork. I'm just using my dang hands. You take that. Don't mind my stove. And then you put it in. And what I put in is some butter because I don't really like to use oil. Oil is gross for these type of things. So yeah, you just put that in there. You leave it in until like you see the egg, or like, you know, you could like lift it up a little bit, but you could even see here like the egg is starting to like cook. So you just want the egg to cook a little bit. You don't want it to be black, you know, whatever, but I guess you can cook it to however you like it, girl. And then you're gonna flip it and then whatever. So we'll come back and we'll see that, okay? Guys, I've gone ahead and flipped it. It's been about 2-3 minutes. It was on the first side. I went ahead and flipped it. It's nice and soft, but the egg is cooked. And so now this side is gonna cook, and then I'm just gonna put it on a plate and I'm gonna start the next side. So you can see the seasoning in there. You see the cinnamon and the brown sucre. It's gonna be so, so good. Up with it is some bacon and some fruits on top, girl. I want some strawberries and bananas on top. Woo! And yeah, today is cleanup day. I need to clean up my house. So I probably won't be vlogging a lot today, actually. I might not clean today and end up going to my sister's and actually doing my hair. I feel like today would be better than tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll probably be in the shop all day. So I might just go today after I go to pay mine and Marlon's phone bill. I gotta go do that first. So I'm thinking after breakfast, I'm gonna get ready, go do that, go to my sister's, do my hair, and then yeah, I'll probably spend today with her. And yeah, but I need to go and pay my phone bill. And I need to go pay Marlon's phone bill too. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So yeah. Oh, before my French toast burns. And you can pat it, hey, type of nice. You can pat it down a little bit. Shut up your mouth. Oops. So yeah, that's the next side. So yes, so good. And I should probably put it on some paper towel. But as you can see, I don't have none. I'm just gonna put a little bit more butter in there. Come on, man. Can you come off the damn spoon? Okay, so my next slice of bread. Put in the egg. I think I might, well, I might can get another one out of this. I'm probably not even gonna eat it, y'all. Like, I do not have like a lot of stomach space for these things. Put it in. So guys, this is my finished product, my French toast with my bananas and strawberries and 3 strips of bacon, girl. Yo, I just painted my nails. This is why I hate washing dishes and getting my nails done. Like, I just don't. I'm gonna eat my breakfast. I'm gonna watch Tamar and Vince. I didn't get to watch it last night. So I'm gonna watch it right now. I'm gonna eat this breakfast and then I'm gonna head on the road and start my day. So I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. Instagram. It's YouTube. Wait, where are you guys? Hi guys. It's Saturday, January 23rd. Wait, where's the day? Ow. Yeah, 23rd. My birthday is in exactly 8 days. Tomorrow makes it 7 days. Tomorrow is Sunday, January 24th, and that is the last Sunday of the year that I will be 25 years old. The next Sunday after that, I'm gonna be 20. Yo, my arms look so fat. Like this.
26 is
I'm gonna be 26. Yo, I feel like it's gonna be amazing. But anyways, I'm here with Shim.
Hey. The intro and the outro.
Well, season 1's intro and the outro. We don't have an intro and outro yet for season 2 because she's slacking on sending me the music that I need. Okay. Don't mind my belly. I just had Harvey's and stuff, you know. I actually wanted to work on like a song that I could just use forever.
Oh yeah, okay.
Remember I was telling you?
So do you need a beat?
I need everything. I need a beat. I need some lyrics.
But what kind of
But
beat
I kind of want to
rap?
and dance.
Of course. What do you mean? We're gonna figure all that out.
But anyways, yeah, we're here. I'm gonna do Shamika's hair because she has a big day tomorrow that you guys will be able to see. She's gonna be performing at the Hard Rock Cafe. Too bad this vlog isn't like going up tonight where I could be like, you guys come out and see her showcase. But you guys will see it because again, I'm going to be vlogging again. I need to shave my armpits. So what? It's the winter time.
Exactly.
I need hair to keep me warm. Okay. Shoot. So anyways, yeah, that's what we're doing right now. So we're just talking, pretty much. You're gonna have to like turn a little bit. You can't like lean and be relaxed right now. Okay. No, turn the other way. Wait, get up 1 second. Let me fix this chair. Yeah, so like that. Your butt crack always has to be straight. Always. Like, what is your problem with this?
No, I was too high up. I was like my dad.
My bum crack is high up too, but it ain't be showing all the time.
Yeah, it does. Zoe.
No.
But you don't know what the hell.
Yes, I do. I can feel it.
Right.
Okay? Like, I feel that shit. Don't tell me why I don't feel it. Oh my gosh. So anyways, yeah, back to your outfit.
Okay.
So, ow. Oh, no.
Starts.
Because I keep hitting it.
Why did you put a glove on?
I used my last one and I said I was going to the friggin' dollar store today to go and buy one because I needed to clean. And I don't want anything to touch it. So good thing I wasn't planning on doing my nails on Friday. I was going to do it on Saturday because I said it don't make sense to put on nails and go bowling. and then they just all lick off.
True.
Ooh, don't worry. What? Because said, ooh, baby.
It's getting hot up there.
Yo, my girl, you don't know, so you don't have to put the bag on the floor. Yeah, idiot? You want to stay broke? People.
We're gonna see the magic happen.
Yo, I'm excited for you. Almost 2 o'clock in the morning. Just finished Shamika's hair. Now we're all going to bed. She's going home. We're going to bed because it's her big day tomorrow. So we need rest. Look at all this mess, all this hair shit and stuff and whatnot. Just leave that. Don't worry about it. And go home and go get your rest.
I'm going off of like.
You need your rest. Yeah, you need your rest tonight. Because, yeah.
Thank you.
No problem. Girl.